Data-driven tech, empowering innovation through insights. Welcome to Data-driven tech, where we redefine the landscape of innovation through the power of data-driven insights. As a leading provider in the tech industry, we pride ourselves on our unwavering commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions that are both robust and transformative. Why choose data-driven tech? At Data-driven tech, we understand that data is the lifeblood of the digital era. Our team of skilled data scientists, engineers, and analysts work collaboratively to harness the full potential of data, unlocking actionable insights that drive business success. By leveraging advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, we empower organizations to make strategic decisions with unwavering precision. Our data-driven solutions. Advanced analytics. Our data experts dive deep into complex data sets, employing advanced statistical techniques to identify patterns and trends that might otherwise remain hidden. Through exploratory data analysis, we deliver comprehensive reports that provide a 360-degree view of your business's performance. Artificial intelligence. Experience the next frontier of AI-powered solutions. From natural language processing to computer vision, our AI algorithms automate processes, enhance customer experiences, and optimize operational efficiency. Machine learning. Our machine learning models make predictions and generate valuable insights that drive predictive maintenance, dynamic pricing, and personalized recommendations, enabling you to stay one step ahead in your industry. Data security and privacy. At Data-driven tech, we recognize the paramount importance of data security and privacy. We adhere to stringent protocols and industry best practices to safeguard your valuable information, ensuring it remains confidential and protected against potential threats. Customer-centric approach. We pride ourselves on fostering strong and lasting relationships with our clients. Our dedicated team takes the time to understand your unique business needs, tailoring data-driven solutions to match your specific goals and objectives. Stay ahead with data-driven tech. In a world where data reigns supreme, staying ahead of the competition requires more than intuition, it demands data-driven precision. At Data-driven tech, we combine cutting-edge technology with an unwavering commitment to quality, delivering solutions that elevate your business to new heights. Unlock the power of data. Partner with Data-driven tech today and embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you do business. Our data-driven approach is the key to unlocking the full potential of your organization, paving the way for innovation, growth, and unparalleled success. Data-driven tech, redefining the future, one insight at a time.